kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. I'm a fifth of hand, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood full of sock and a bankroll full of pins. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Pop top with some biker shorts, I'm showing off my moose look. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your bite. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads, and a black ass nigga with waves. He gon' drop that net. He love the way I sit. Black nails, bitches press. So high, damn the red. I eat the pussy fresh. Get the shirt on wet. Who wants smoke? Say what? Oh, get that off your chest. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up in my shows, yeah. Cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love a freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, Friday night, hot as hell, and you know the hoes out. Man, the petty, fresh set, and I got my toes out. I'm rocking off-white on the off night. These bitches with me pretty, and they y'all can fight. Yeah, fuck you mean? 40 inches, 613. I'm looking fine as hell. I'm trying to be seen. I'm finna wreck the scene. I'm out the 17. Turned up with my nigga Neil. Watch me do my. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up in my shows, yeah. Cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love a freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's silent. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile on none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga don't hit me back? Chat. Should I ran that nigga no questions asked? Chat. Chat. They chatting. They chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to work good, it's hard enough, no wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cast out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me. Bitch, you ain't making me. All I want the love if it's out there. Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go.
I'm ready. I'm just going to the movies, so I have this black shirt on, some leggings, put on now, some leggings, and then just my platform Uggs. And I got this jacket from Forever 21 with my Louis Vuitton purse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.